Alright everyone, and I wanted to come back on here and show you guys the finished image that I did. This may have a little bit more embellishments than some of you may like, so that's why I did not do it on video. That said, I went ahead and everywhere I had left it white there, I used the gold Slicci metallic gel pen for that, and then I used a little bit of gold sparkle pop in the other areas of the flower where all the dots were still showing. I then also used the gold Slicci pen down through for the chains, and then over top the chain I went ahead and used, I believe this is Mercury Stickles, and I used Glisten Stickles for the spots with the larger jewels. I also used the Mercury to make it look like she had beads in her hair. And I also used the black Glaze Jelly Roll Gel Pen in the pupils of her eyes. And that's how I chose to finish this picture. I also went ahead and did like a light blue background. So this is 3 shades of blue. I believe I used 1024, 904, and 1087. So I'm going to lift this up again. It may be a little more embellishments than some people would have done, but I wanted to really embellish this one, give it a little bit of extra pop. So again, I wanted to make it look like she had beads in her hair. I really wanted it to make it sparkly, especially where the jewels were. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.